So we have how many kids today? 16. So who remembers what we are doing? Which shloka? Shloka number?
Shashtakam.
Seven.
Number
Who knows? Who knows Sikshashtakam, all the verses?
Akshita knows Mataji.
Most of them.
Mataji.
All of them.
Mataji, I know all of them. This is Akshita.
Most of the people know all the verses.
Mataji.
Ramachandra.
Okay, so today what we will do is quickly, if you all can get one white paper and be ready after the class, we will do this. So it's 7:20. We'll quickly try to catch up. So yes, you are all correct. We're doing verse number 7. So this 1, 2, 3. Who wants to? Ramachandra? You want to say the verse?
Okay. युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रवृषायितं शृङ्गायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दाविरहेण मे.
Okay, good job. Shubhadra and Giridhari. Shubhadra,
Okay, Mataji.
word to word.
Yugaitam.
Gaitam.
Appearing like a great
Millennium.
millennium.
Kushi.
Nimeshanam by a moment.
Akshita.
Chakshusha from the eyes.
Mukund.
Pravisharitam, tears falling like torrents of rain.
Pranav. Pranav. Mokshit.
Yeah.
Sunyaitam. Can you read the word to word translation? Sunyaitam.
Sunyaitam is appearing void.
Oh, today all of you switched off your cameras. Can you please come on camera? Samskriti is there.
Yes, Mataji. Jagat, the world.
Go for the next one.
Mataji, I'm eating dinner.
Okay. Prahlad, Keshvi, who wants to go next? Come on, quick.
Mataji, can I go?
Yes, Keshvi, go ahead.
Jagat.
No, Jagat is done. Next, Sarvam.
Sarvam. All.
Prahlad,
Govinda from Lord. Govinda.
Lord Govinda Krishna. Okay, Sri Krishna.
Virahena.
Virahena me.
Virahena me. By my separation.
Okay. Shreyash. I see a name Shreyash. Translation. Shreyash Dongre, if I'm not wrong.
My Lord Govinda, because of separation from you, I consider even a moment a great millennia. Tears flow from my eyes like torrents of rain, and I see the entire world as a void.
So what is Mahaprabhu saying here? Because of separation, tears will flow from his eyes like torrents of rain. So today our discussion is going to be mostly on tears. Okay? So if at all I ask any one of you to describe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in one word.
Ecstatic.
Ecstasy.
Ecstatic.
Correct, ecstasy. But when ecstasy is like so much, so intense, then what will it be?
Devotion.
Ecstatic devotion.
No. It's if I say you're going to say what?
Surprise.
Not surprise. Like too much of ecstatic. Then how will you behave? When you're in too much no. When you're in too much ecstasy.
Excited. No compassion.
No, too much excited. So excited is okay, but when it is like
You start
Merciful.
You start
Dancing.
different.
it starts with
Mad.
Dad, who said that? Who
Akshita.
said?
Akshita.
Yes, Akshita is correct. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says that, yes, you're correct. So if you have to describe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in one word, he's mad. So why are we saying is mad? He's not mad doesn't mean that sometimes we say you're mad, not that mad. So did you ever say that did you ever hear or did you ever say like I am madly in love with so and so thing? Like so I hear so many times, so many my neighbor kids keep saying, my cousins keep saying, I never said, but many times I hear this statement like, oh, I'm madly in love with an ice cream, I'm madly in love with the movie, or I'm madly in love with this person. You ever hear saying that?
No, Mataji, but I heard the word in one class in this Bhakti Sangha Jaipur group in Govinda class. Like, I forgot the topic. I think Bharat Maharaj, like after the deer life, he became, he was acting mad.
Yeah, that he was acting, but I'm saying you can have like so much of attachment or so much of love in it,
Oh, Mataji.
madly in love with it,
Mataji,
deeply. Yes, Akshita.
one example I can think of is Haridas Thakur.
Yeah, no, I'm not asking for example. I'm asking, did you ever hear anybody saying like that? Like I'm in madly love with you. I'm in madly. Mad means like the intention is deep, like so deep that you forget when you're over ecstatic. Like how did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu do? And he's like he came as a devotee and he's over ecstatic, so much love in towards Lord that he would the way he dances, the way he sang, the way he does anything is like nothing that you or I can do. You do like that? No, right? So he could do that. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying is a mad. Mad means like it's so deep, so intense. His separation was intense, his love was intense, his dancing was intense, his singing was intense. So everything was so deep. That's why we say like, oh, I'm so madly in love with it. So let's go further. So so as I said, when I kept everything there. Okay. So when I say mad means, as I said, we can't compare with the material mundane dictionary word what mad is. It's not that. So like if you see the Shastras explain that when the elevated soul who are not from this material world, when their elevated soul, when their transcendental soul, when they go mad, they reveal about absolute truth. They don't talk nonsense. Suppose you imagine there is a person who takes a lot of alcohol, right? Then he forgets what is he doing, and don't you think I have never seen, but I have just heard. So I'm sure you also must have not seen, but like they behave like a mad. But when they behave like a madman, did you ever see them talking something useful? No, right? They talk all nonsense, right? So there is a difference of elevated souls being so mad, that means they're so deeply connected. But if with ordinary people, we cannot consider like that. Like if ordinary people have to go to that means they're just acting, right? Like Mahaprabhu is dancing in ecstasy. If when before Bhaktivinoda Thakur had come, actually our Gaudiya Madhva Sampradaya, there was nobody to lead, because there was another sect of people called Sahajiyas. They were coming and they're acting like they were acting as if they're in so ecstasy. Then you know what? I don't know who said, but I think Bhaktivinoda Thakur, if I'm not wrong, or Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he said they're not gopis, they're monkeys. So they were trying to pretend like that. So we cannot imitate, right? They were all trying to pretend how Gauranga Mahaprabhu was doing, how gopis were doing. They're trying to dance and imitate. So we cannot get into that mad ecstatic mood. So so now here comes an interesting thing. So Sikshastakam have how many verses?
8.
8 verses.
8.
Is
That's
it
what Ashtakam means.
8 verses?
Shishta means 8 in Ashtakam.
Okay, so the point here we will be seeing today is, so anything you do something, so we are asking you to study. When you study, you should have a result, right? Will you do? We say like you just study. There is no exam. There is nothing you're going to gain. Do you have a mood to do it? Will you have a mood to do it?
No, not
Not much.
You will not have a motivation to do it, right? So similarly, means the end product is called as prayojana. The result of doing it is called as prayojana. So similarly, now you're saying chant, 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 right? And mind is always saying, no, I can't, can't, can't. But somehow we give it a try. We try. You children, you will listen. You're such a nice children. You listen to your parents and you try to chant and you try to follow the regulative principles. You try to follow all what your parents are saying. So you should have some prayojana. You should have some result, right? So the prayojana, what you get by chanting, is said in the last 3 verses. So there are 3 things. Okay, some of you must be knowing. There's called as sambandha, one is abhideya, and the third is prayojana. So what is sambandha? Suppose you see a car. Ramachandra sees a car. Some nice, beautiful car. I don't know varieties of cars' names. So suppose you see a car going on a road. Then what will you think? You will think, this car is
a Bentley.
so this car is so nice. Maybe I should get it. So when you start thinking like that, you're trying to establish a relationship with that car. It could be car thinking.
Your voice is going up and down. Like you're
Yeah, same for me.
Oh, for everybody or just for few of you?
Mataji, I can hear you fine.
No, Mataji, it was only for a few seconds.
Because it's going sometimes up and
Okay. Now we'll see if it comes next time. Let me know. Okay. So what I'm saying is, I lost the thought process. Yeah. So when you see something and you want to establish a relationship, that is called sambandha. Then what is an abhideya? So in order to get that car, what is the process? Suppose you want sambandha with Krishna. You want to establish a relationship with Krishna. So to establish relationship, what is the process? What is the method is abhideya. And when you do these 2 things, what the result you get is prayojana. So the prayojana, what you are getting by doing the sambandha and abhideya and Krishna consciousness, is revealed in the 6th, 7th, like Vinita Gandharvika took the 6th one yesterday. So 6th, 7th and 8th are going to tell you what is the prayojana. What are you going to get? Now, what are you going to get? You're all chanting. Some of your parents must be chanting since 20 years, 10 years. So that is the thing. So we will discuss that also. So we established a relationship. We are trying to follow the prophet. Now, what is the result is said in the last 3 verses. So now we call Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as what? Namo Mahavadhanyaya, right? Many times we say that mantra. So why we is called? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the, see what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave even to the lowest people who doesn't even know the name of Dharma. They wouldn't have even heard of Dharma. They doesn't know the name of Dharma. To that kind of people, he gave the highest and greatest gift. He brought the greatest gift. That's why it's called as Namo Mahavadhanyaya. So he is giving the gift and he is giving the method. He's giving the process. Like I'm saying to Samskriti, you should get that, you should become a class topper. I'm saying that, and also I'm telling her how she can get it. I'm telling her everything. All she has to do is just follow. Like that, similarly, Mahaprabhu is doing everything for us. He brought the gift and he's saying, please do this, you will get this gift. So he's revealing it. So that's the example we have seen. So now, when Mahaprabhu was in Puri, this is just an example, because I said today we are going to talk mostly about the tears. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Puri, he would stand behind. See, if you know, in Puri there are different dwaras. Different dwara means different entrance, different pillars, right?
Yes.
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would always stand near the Garuda pillar, thinking that, oh, Jagannath Swami loves Garuda because Garuda is a great devotee, and maybe the Jagannath Swami looks at Garuda, his merciful glance will be falling on me. With that intention, he would stand near the Garuda pillar. So the point here is, we all have deities at home, right? We have them, but we don't see them. Yes or no? Yes.
Mataji, we don't see them every day.
No, I'm saying you have deities, but do you see them? When we say when you have deities at home, that means Krishna is at your home. Do you see Krishna every day, or you just
No.
see them like
Just see them as
we just see them at like TV, right? So they are there, but we can't see, right? So this is called, so for us, because we are just beginners or we are trying to do, but imagine if somebody has lot of ecstasy and lot of love towards Krishna. Say now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the 7th verse is saying, in separation, my tears are coming like torrents of rain. So like rain, like the tears are flowing. Even yesterday shloka, yesterday verse also, right? Nayanam galada shrudaraya, vadanam gadgada ruddaya gira, pulake nishitam vapukkada tavanama grihane pavishyati. So, right? So, they're talking about tears. So, the point here is when Chaitanya, so when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if you remember the Kurukshetra pastime, where Radharani, all the gopis, they go to see Krishna after many, many years, you know what they will say? They will say, Krishna, when you are not there, Vrindavan, we felt lot of separation. But today you are in front of us, we are feeling more separation. You know why? We are feeling more separation because we see you, but yet you are not accepting us and you are leaving us and you are going. That is more painful. Imagine, like, I suppose you like one of your friends so much, and your friend left the place, your neighborhood, and your friend went to some other place, right? Then you feel so bad. Oh, my friend is not there. Oh, my friend is not there. My friend is not there. But after many years, you will meet your friend, but your friend is not, the way he was before. It will hurt you more. You'll feel more separated when he's in front of you, but he's ignoring you, right? Jagannath, wait. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here feeling of separation is, see, feeling of separation also can bring you love. That's what that's a statement. Love in separation. So I'll give you another example. So in Navadvip, how many islands are there?
9.
Now,
So there is one dweep called Moda Druma Dweep. Okay. So in that dweep, what happened? You know who came? Lord Ram. Lord Ram, actually the specialty of Navadvip is in 4 yugas, God came, right? He came as Narsimhadev, he came as Lord Rama, he came as Krishna, right? So in Navadvip, all the 4 yugas, 4 avatars were there. They came to Navadvip. So even Lord Rama came to Moda Drumadvip. Then when they were going to exile, when they were going to Dandakaranya forest, they actually came to this Moda Drumadvip. Moda means a tree. Sorry, Moda means plant. Druma means tree. So they came under this tree, and Lord Ram started laughing. Like he had a very nice smile, seeing the effulgence in that place. He was laughing. Then Mother Sita asked Lord Ram, like, why are you laughing? Then Lord Ram started saying, in the Kali Yuga, I'm going to come in a golden complexion, and my mother Kausalya is going to come as Mother Sachi, and you are going to come as Vishnu Priya. But very soon, I'm going to leave all of you, and I'm going to go take sannyas. Then I'll show later. Then she will ask, oh my Lord, what is this? This is not fair. Then why should you marry and leave us? If you leave, then we'll feel a lot of separation. Then Lord Ram starts explaining. Lord Ram will start saying that, oh, you know what? My devotees, there are 2 ways we are related. One is Sambhoga, one is Vipralamba. Sambhoga means you're together. Vipralamba means you're separated. And but Lord Ram says, but in separation, my devotees feel million times pleasure. My devotees are very, very smart. They can connect anything to Krishna consciousness. Even the ecstatic feelings, the mad feelings, the separation feelings, everything they try to connect it to Krishna. That is the unique way that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had shown. Like he's saying, love in separation. Is that possible? There is pain in separation, right? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying there is love in separation. Vipralamba bhav. Like in separation also we are feeling so much love, so much ecstasy. You know why that ecstasy is coming? Why that ecstasy is coming? Because see, there is a dissatisfaction. What is the dissatisfaction? Just now you have to be a little bit careful. I said devotees will connect any of the feeling to Krishna consciousness. That's how devotees are smart. How? Now there is a dissatisfaction. Prabhupada said chant and be happy. But in a way you can think chant and there is a dissatisfaction. What is that dissatisfaction? Dissatisfaction is, when will I see Lord? The deities are there lying every day. I will be thinking the deities are there lying in the corner of your house. You have been seeing since 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. But when will I see Lord? I'm chanting since 10 years, 15 years, or 5 years, or 4 years, or 7 years. But my tears are not coming. When will the tears? These are the dissatisfactions for a devotee. I'm doing this. When will the Lord accept me? When will the Lord come in front of me? When will I start crying when I say the holy names? When will this happen? So that is how we feel love in separation, because we are separated. We have the God, we have the deities, we have the holy names, but we are feeling separation because we are still not having that we are not able to see. We are not up to that level. Up to that level we have not yet reached. So that is our dissatisfaction. But we use that dissatisfaction to strive more. Like, just you get very less score. So when somebody comes and encourages you, no, come on, Ramachandra, you can do it, you have to do it, you have to do it, then you will get a lot of encouragement and you will try to do it. So similarly, now we are seeing God, but we are not able to be up to the mark. So what are we doing? In that dissatisfaction, in that separation, we are trying to do more, because we want to reach God. We want to achieve that. We want to achieve that ultimate goal. That is why we are in our dissatisfaction also, we are using that way to do more service, more chanting, whatever way we can do. So this example I have already mentioned, Moda Trimadvi. Okay. So as I said, we feel dissatisfied because we are not getting the tears of ecstasy, right? So for example, now our anxiety, our dissatisfaction, our pain in separation is what? That we are not getting that ecstatic mood, right? So our when we have a bigger anxiety, will we think about a smaller anxiety in our life? For example, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, there is one story mentioned that there is one queen. So she wanted to marry somebody else, so she will kill her husband. Then when she goes to marry the hunter whom she wanted to marry, the hunter also will die. Now she is all by herself. Then what will happen? Then she will try to marry somebody else. Then she will come to know that the one whom she married was none other than her son in the kingdom. Like previous many years ago, she killed her husband. So she comes to know that it is her own son. So she feels so dejected about her life. Her husband is gone. The one whom she married is gone. Now whom she married is her son. So she's like, what is this? What this kind of life is this? So then she will see somebody, getting water or milk, I don't remember, in the pots, and all the pots will fall down and they'll break. So then you feel so bad. Then she will say, oh, you're feeling so bad just because your pots broke. You know what kind of anxiety I am. You know what kind of anxious life I am. So in our life, we have the bigger problem of why the tears of ecstasy is not coming. Why I'm not able to chant properly. Why am I not able to, get that bhav? Why am I not able to, see Krishna in my deities? When all those things are coming, you don't care for any small things that will happen to us, right? So as I said, what is a dissatisfaction or the ecstatic mood in a devotee's life? Is like, why I am not able to serve up to the mark? When will I serve up to the mark? When will I reach my goal? So that is our ecstatic feeling. We feel it. So now in the 7th verse that we have read, Yugayitam Nimeshena, that we have seen. So we all know that there are 9 stages in the devotional life, right? Adho, Shraddha, you all must be knowing, Anartha Nivritti, Ruchi, Nishta, right? I'm not telling in the order, I'm just randomly saying Adho, Shraddha, Anartha Nivritti, then Ruchi, Asakti, Nishta, then comes, what is that? Bhava, then comes Prema. So Prema is the last. So even now, the 7th verse that we are seeing is showing Bhava. There is little bit Prema also. Bhava is what? Love. Prema is what? Pure love. Attaining pure love is the goal, right? So who had that pure love? Gopis have. That Gopi Bhav, only they have that pure love. So our goal is to get that pure love, which is being described in verse number 8. Okay. So verse number 7 also there is little bit Prema, but there is Bhav. If you remember Bhava stage, who was there in Bhava stage and who fell down? We discussed already in our previous sessions. Somebody reached up till the Baba stage and fell down.
Can you give a hint?
He was a king.
Is it Jada Bharat?
Yes,
Bharata.
yes, Jada Bharat. Jada Bharat went up to Baba stage. So he had that love, but he fell down from there, right? So Prema is the ultimate. When you go to Prema stage, you will not fall down. Like how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, like tears, like torrents of rain, they're coming. You will you will go into that bhav, prema mood. If you go to there, then that means you're back to Godhead. Till then, still there are chances of falling down. So verse number 7 is describing the bhav, the love. And you know, when Anartha Nivritti happened in that Siksashtakam, the 4th verse, Nadanam, you know what is Anartha Nivritti? Means not avoiding all that is not needed in the path of your... Anartha Nivritti happened because in 4th verse, what are they saying? Nadanam, na janam, na sundarim, kavitamba jagadisha kamaya. So he's saying, I don't want anything. Nadanam, na janam. So Anartha Nivritti is said in the 4th verse. Okay. Then systematically in the 7th verse, you are seeing bhav, and in the 8th verse, prema is revealed. So as I said, what is gopi bhav? Gopi bhav is not like, as I told you, right, before Bhaktivinoda Thakur was, when Bhaktivinoda Thakur was there, if Bhaktivinoda Thakur was not there, then we wouldn't have got this philosophy back, because in between the Sahajiyas, they were saying we are only gopis, they dress like gopis, they were wearing earrings like gopis, they were trying to act like gopis, so they were doing all those weird things. But real gopi bhav means, you know what? It is service and sacrifice. Nobody else can do service like gopis, and nobody else can do a sacrifice like gopis, because when Krishna plays flute, they immediately ran to him in the middle of the night to a forest. Imagine, can we go in the middle of the night to a forest? Can you go? I cannot go. I'm very scared.
I cannot.
Yeah, but they didn't think of all that. They just ran, and they forgot their family, they forgot their society, and they all left and they all went to see Krishna. So that is their service attitude. And you know, in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned that tears are the ornaments of a devotee. And Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur says, if you can't cry, cry in front of your deities that you are not able to cry. Why am I not able to cry when I see you? Why am I not able to cry when I take your name? So we're saying, cry that you are not able to cry. So we all have to look beautiful in front of the eyes of Krishna, right? Yes or no? When you go and stand in front of Krishna, but you know, but you, when I'm saying you have to look beautiful in front of Krishna, does that mean that your appearance, your dressing, your ornament should look beautiful? No, right?
No.
So as I said, tears are your ornaments. That tears, whether you are acting or not acting, Krishna can figure out, right? So when we stand in front of Krishna, we have to wear that ornament of tears, tears of ecstasy, tears of love. Otherwise, it is not a service to Krishna. So in this one, what they are saying, Govinda Virahe Name. So that means separation. Yugaitam Nimeshana means one yuga, it is feeling like 1 millennium for them. 1 minute if they're not able to see. So gopis are saying if Krishna is not there, then Vrindavan is also waste. They're saying Vrindavan is like a dry desert. They're saying Govardhan is like a cave, which is asking us to come and kill ourselves, or which will kill us. So it's just like a dry cave. So they're saying if Krishna is not there, nothing has a meaning. They're saying if Krishna is not there, 1 moment is like a 1 millennium. And when they say Yugaitam, Sunyaitam, Sunyam means what? Zero. What does that mean? That does it mean that if Krishna, if in that separation, there is actually zero? There is nothing around you? Yeah, does it mean that?
No.
No, you know what does mean? Sunyam means they're saying they have everything, but they don't find taste in anything. That's why they're saying Sunyam, zero. They have everything, but they don't have taste. They'll have, suppose if you have lot of taste. So if we see in our Krishna consciousness also, if you ask your parents, as they progress year by year, with whatever little devotion we have got, we lose interest in few things in our life. Like we don't watch TV. Suppose if you ask me, I used to go when I was in college, I used to watch a lot of movies in a day, 2-3 movies, or I used to go to restaurants a lot. Now I don't even think about them. So as they said, so that is what is Sunya. So Gopi Bhav means they have everything around them, but we don't have taste on anything. So that is the highest bhav what the gopis are having, and that bhav is expressed in verse number 7. Sunya means not that there is nothing around you, there is everything, but you don't have taste on anything. Okay, that is the, what is the time?
7:51 Eastern time.
So that is about,
Yes, in 451 onwards. And
yeah, so tomorrow you have the last one. As I said, verse 8 shows the last stage of bhakti. That is prema. So tomorrow Lalitangi Mataji will tell you very beautifully. She will explain. So today is about. So who wants to say the 7th verse? Yuga Itam. Is there anybody who knows? Can you tell that verse 7? Raise hand.
Vaitam nimeshena chakshusha pravasaitam sanyaitam jagat sarva govindavarahenam.
Very nice. Anybody else wants to say?
Kushi,
Yes, Kushi, go ahead.
Yugaitam Nimeshena Chakshusha Pravashaitam Shunyaitam Jagat Sarvam Govinda Virhename. Thank you, Mataji.
Can Ramachandra go?
Yes.
Yugaitam nimeshena chakshusha pravishaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe name.
Mataji, can Prahalad go?
Yes, Prahlad.
Yugaitam nimeshena chakshusha pravashaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahirame.
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Yes, Akshita, go ahead.
Yugaitam nimeshena chakshusha pavrishayitam shinyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahename.
Good job. Very nice. So we will start. So today, I picked, we will make paper boats because we compare this as material ocean, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got a beautiful boat to lift us, pick us up, take us back in that boat.
Mataji, origami boards?
Yes.
I've made one.
You already made one?
Yes, Mataji, I also made before.
I was actually guessing that some of you must have made. I was sure
Mataji?
that you also keep making. So I was guessing that you would have made. If there is somebody else who didn't make, we can make.
I've made, but I don't know where it is.
Now make again, then make it. Ready? Get white paper. I was guessing that some of you would say, Mataji, I already made it. So we'll take a paper, white paper, or you all ready?
Mataji, do we have to draw something on
Yes,
it?
Mataji,
No, just we are making a board. Okay, ready.
Origami.
Just folding it?
So yes, we are just Akshita and everybody, whoever is making, fold it
Mataji,
exactly.
what are we making today?
We are making a boat.
Origami.
Why?
A boat?
Yes, a paper boat. Because,
Okay.
because floating in this material ocean, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brings the boat to take us all back.
What's the first step you said?
Mataji, can you pin your
Mataji,
Oh, I may not be.
Mataji, you pinned
your spotlight.
Yeah, you're spot.
Okay.
Yeah, your
I don't
spotlight.
charge
I can't see you doing that.
Okay, see, I took a paper and just fold it into half, exact half, okay? Just
But like
exact.
going down.
After you finish that step, tell me.
Done.
After you finish, just fold it into another half, like that.
Another half.
Done.
Yeah, like this, and another half.
Another one?
Mataji, I think I know how to make a boat.
Then make
And
it.
I think first we have to make it a square and then do these steps.
Mataji, what's after that, after the two folds? Mataji, is this square paper or is this rectangle paper?
Not a square. See, I have a rectangle paper. You do the 4 foldings. Okay.
What's next?
Next, I'm showing. Give me a minute. Give me a second.
Wait, Mataji. So we fold the big
Not towards the open side. Okay, not towards the open side. Towards the closed side. I'll show you.
Mataji, horizontally or vertically?
You have to fold both sides like this. Huh? See,
Mataji,
okay, I'm gonna just give me a minute. See, Dina Krishna he sits here with pencil. He has drawn everywhere for his school. So see, first I took one paper, then I folded it, right? And then again I folded it, right? Like that. Huh? I folded it. See? Okay. Then after you fold, what will happen? You have an open side, right? Open side. We don't go to the open. So you have to leave it like this. After you fold, open it back again. After you fold, open it back. Ready? And then what you will do, not towards the open side, from the top, you have to fold like this on both the sides.
Mataji, on the top, is it supposed to be the closed side or the open side?
The closed side, you have to fold like the triangle. See, I'm not doing the open side. I'm doing the close. This is the closed side. I'm folding like this. Okay.
Wait, so Mataji, you have to fold from this side, like from the closed side?
The closed side.
Mataji, what does it look like in the end?
Oh, I have to show my boat away. Jagannath, can you get the boat?
The closed side, right, Mataji?
Mataji, like this, Mataji. Mataji, did I fold in the right direction?
Yes. So after you finish this, I'll show you. Either don't eat this. Okay. See, at the bottom you will have papers, right? If you see, like, see, two backside one, only the front one you're taking and folding like this.
Mataji, should we like curve, like make it into like a square?
What square?
Like the square you did on the sides. I don't understand.
Okay.
Is it like this, Mataji?
Okay. Yeah. Hrishikesh is showing correctly. So see, from this we have folded like this. So from the bottom, I think when you open, you have two things, right? See? See? So the front one you fold like that, like two triangles.
Mataji, this is Akshita. Is this good?
Where is Akshita?
Mataji, can you show that again just one more time? Sorry.
So that, yeah. Hrishikesh. See, first we took, again I'm repeating, first we took like this, we folded into a half, folded into another half, so it came like this. Now you're open and not on the open side, but on the closed side. You're folding like triangle, like, okay, done. And now what are you doing? Here, you are folding like this.
Mataji, is it like the diamond? Mataji, like this. This is Keshavi.
Yes,
This-
and now what you do is go back, whatever this, the front portion you fold it, right? The same amount, just fold it on the back also.
On the back too.
Yeah, on the back.
It makes it good.
Mataji, can you show again? It looks like a diamond. Mataji, this is Samskriti. Is this correct? Mataji, this is Keshavi. Is this correct?
Yes.
Mataji, this is Pranav. Is this correct, Mataji? Mataji, is this correct? This is Keshavi.
Give me a minute. Which one, Dira?
Mataji, this is Balavinda.
Yes, correct.
Mataji, Balavinda.
Balavrinda. Where is Balavrinda? Where are you? Ekkudunnao? Okay. So now what we will do is the back portion is there, right? So we have folded in the front, we have folded at the back, right? So what we will do is
Front and back. I'm gonna like this. Mataji, like this. I have to put.
yes, Shri, correct. So see, now what we do is You're going to fold like that. Like that.
Oh, on the other side. On what side? On the front side or the back side? Mataji, can you show the whole thing? That kind of thing? How do you do it? I missed a step. Mataji, how do you
You have to do both of the sides.
Mataji?
Wait for a minute. I'll wait for a minute. Don't worry.
Mataji, which side do you make that fold, on the back side or the front side? Mataji.
You do all this, right? So you're folding it on the back side and as the other front side as well. You'll get
Wait, what do you do?
Mataji, it looks like
Oh,
a
Mataji, I get it.
Minecraft
It's like this and then
diamond.
you fold it like this.
It
looks like a hat. Can you show us this, right? Again. It's a hat.
sure. Hey, I'm keeping like so see.
Mataji, do we do both the sides?
Yes, I'm repeating. So we took the first paper, then I folded into half, then I folded into another half. Okay. I opened it like that, not on the open side, closed side. I'm going to fold like that. Okay. And then what did we do? We have right two papers. So this one we have folded like that, a small triangle.
Mataji,
And
what do you do next?
Give me a minute. I'm showing to those who did. So even on the back side also we finished, right? Like that.
Mataji, can I wear it?
Then what you will do, at the back, you're going to fold. See, fold it.
Wait, how did you
And
fold?
even this.
Mataji, is it like Val? Is this correct? This is Valavrinda. I'm on Vrinda now because I joined from my iPad.
Where are you?
No, I did put it. Okay.
Mataji, this is Prahalad. Is this good?
Mataji, am I done?
Sakshita. Next, like this one by Vrinda. This is Valavrinda on sister. Mataji,
This is Suraj.
Mataji,
Alvinda, show. Everybody, please wait. Vrinda. Fold it up.
Mataji, this is Suraj.
but Mataji, I cannot do it like this. Open it like this because it's folded.
Paper.
Is this right?
Mataji, your voice is cutting. Like it's going up.
Many people are unmute and their voice is coming louder than Mataji, so we can't hear Mataji.
Yeah, and also from Mataji,
Rishikesh did good. Samskriti did good.
Mataji, this is Akshita.
Suraj also got it.
Can you show the folding again?
Mataji, is it like this?
Huh?
Is it like this, Mataji?
Who is showing me?
I put my name as Anita.
Yeah.
Mataji, is this it?
Suraj, you're almost getting it. Where is the Nita? I don't see. Where are you?
It's at the end for me. Now it's
Mataji, is it like this?
I don't see. Did anybody see her?
yes.
It's Artav. It's Atar.
Atar.
Oh, Athar. Yeah.
Mataji, can you show the fold again?
Mataji, this is Akshita.
Mataji, it's too hard for me, so I'll do it later.
Mataji,
Mataji, I think I completed making it.
So Suraj,
Mataji, I think I made it.
Suraj, can you open and show?
Okay, so this is what I did. So first let me just go all the way back. So let me just okay. Okay,
Yes.
so this is what happened. So I'm like this, right? So when I was playing with it like this and stuff, so I folded it like this, and then I got curious, and this shape looked familiar, so
Okay,
I
just
folded
let me show.
these down.
See, when you fold it, how you're doing, you got a pocket, right? When you fold it this side and this side, you got a pocket. So you got to open it like this.
Yes, and when you folded, you have to fold this down. You do what Mataji said, and then you fold it down, and then you do the same thing for the back.
This is very
So you have a triangle like this, and you have these flaps.
How do you do it?
So let me show you again. So it's like, yes, it's like this, right?
Yes.
Like this, right? So when you push these together, doesn't it turn like that?
Yeah.
Push the sides together. Take
Make
the sides and push them.
But I get only this. Like this is only on one side.
no. You
Mataji, I already made mine, so can I leave?
who is
Wait, could you see this? Can you?
Mataji, I already made mine, so can I leave?
yes.
You have this triangle, right?
So-
On the bottom of the triangle, there's a hole. Open it up all the way, and then push it like this.
So
And you get this.
is here. So that, give me a minute. Let me see. What is saying? You all with you? Yeah. You all have this triangle? Yes. Can we show you peacefully? Okay.
Mataji, your voice is cutting out. It's very like large and sometimes very.
No, Mataji.
For me, it's like that.
Oh.
Rishikesh, she did it.
Yeah.
Mataji, this is Samskriti. Is this good?
Where are
Okay,
you?
I'm just going to quickly show this. And this is, I think, what Rishikesh did.
Yeah.
Okay. Suraj, maybe you have to show them. See, you are occasionally just open. We open it. We get it quick.
I opened it.
No. So you have pocket, right? Pocket.
Yeah.
Okay. In the pocket. Just like that.
Samskriti's done.
Like this.
Inside the pocket. Let them be tight.
Breaking up. You're breaking up.
Why am I breaking? Oh, Krishna.
Can everyone mute?
Yeah, maybe you all should mute. We have 5 more minutes. We have to be quick. See, if it's not clear. At least you can see, right?
Mataji, this is Samskriti.
Samskriti, you got it. So what I'm saying is, Samskriti, see, she got it. Very easy. Now, after this step, you just have to see. You just have to fold like, you see, you bring these two corners like this. See, you got it. And then you press, you get like this. Now, Rishikesh, can you show how you did after that? Rishikesh will show. He did it very neatly.
So, fold these down.
Can you spotlight him?
Oh,
I'll go to the place where you are again. Okay. Like we're right here, and then
this flap has to go like this. Like this.
Yeah, I also made mine. I'm trying to remove it again.
No,
What do you do next?
I have to take this part here. I don't understand, but I'm already. I got this.
Who got it?
Have to make.
Mukund.
Open. Easy.
Wait, Mataji, I don't understand. I'm trying to do it.
Who is that?
It's like
Akshita, I'm trying to do after this part, but I can't do it. I'm trying to do after this part.
Wait, let me. Rishikesh is there. I'm also open everything. Rishikesh,
what?
did you get here? Did you make it?
Yes.
Yes or no? Akshita,
Yes, Mataji.
so this,
What do you do after it's flawed?
What do you do after that? After you pull the
Mataji, what do you do after it's like flawed?
see, after you get your
Mataji Ramachandra did it. Look.
got it.
Mataji, like this.
See, Rishikesh, again, see, mine is now, oh. See, from the triangle, I made like this, right? From the triangle, I made like this. Now you got it like this, right? So from this also, see, Rishikesh is also showing. You have to fold again. Again, fold.
This side and then this side.
Yeah, see, fold and fold.
Yeah, you have to do both.
Like this and then fold this side.
See, he's showing. Rishikesh, show like that, it's clear.
Okay. Like it's like this, and then you have to put this side like this, and then flip it over, and then put this here. This and then this.
So when it's a square, what do you do after when it's a square?
Well, I think it is time, 2 more minutes.
Mataji, what do you do after it's like a square shape?
Yeah, I also got finished.
When it's a square shape, there should be like two at the end, like two flaps.
See,
It should make it into like a diamond. Like how Hrishikesh should make it like in a diamond shape. Then there should be two flaps at the end, and then pull those out. Then
Like it's like this, and then
it should be
fold
like
it.
this. Pull them out.
Yeah, she has it like this, and then fold this in, and then fold this in, and you have a pocket, and then do it
Yeah.
like that, and then open it.
How do you do it again after the flaps? How do you do it?
Flaps. You just pull out the flaps.
This is the first part what we had. Like, so I'm opening this pocket and I'm joining. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm bringing these two edges together. Like that, right? So you'll so again you're going to fold, fold.
And you open the pocket.
Yeah, and
Open
again
the pocket,
when you get a pocket, you open your
and then close it, and then you can open
you
this.
open it, you get a fold.
Mataji, can you please show that again? I was doing. Mataji, it's a triangle. What do you do after the triangle shape? Like,
Triangle.
can we take off
Mataji, is it?
after the triangle?
Mataji, I made it.
Mataji, is this good? This.
Very easy. If you think like, oh, it's very easy.
What do you do after the Mataji?
We have triangle. See, instead of being instead of leaving
I made it. I'm
leaving
confused.
it, I'm bringing these two things and it became a triangle like this, right? So again, what you're doing towards it, so you can't do anything. Open side again from this thing. So see, fold, and from this side, fold. Again, you'll get one more triangle like a pocket. See, again you'll bring these two things together like that. And now you'll get one more thing like this. So now you will open these two like a flower. You will open, and then you'll get a boat.
Oh, Mataji, I think I get it now.
You basically the Bhavit is doing is almost there. Don't open. You got it, but I don't know why he's opening. So one last time I'll repeat. See.
Mataji, I think I got it now.
Yeah, very easy. I'm repeating, okay? Shh, wait, Dinesh. We took like- Then we
got it.
got it.
Mataji, I got it.
Who is that?
Krishna Naina. Mataji, I think I got it.
Mataji, it's 7:18. Mataji, I mean your time is 8:18.
Yes,
Mataji, I think I got it.
I'm so sorry, all the kids. Mataji will.
Wait, Mataji, this is Akshita. Is this right?
most of the
Mataji, I got it too. Mataji, is this correct?
Oh, Rai Prahalad also.
Gee,
Somebody
that's
got
what
it.
I-
Somebody was saying, is this correct? Who is that?
Mataji, is this correct?
This mother got it.
Mataji, I got it.
Okay. Shreya got it.
Mataji.
Send a video. You can see that. You can see that.
Shreya got it.
Mataji, my mother and I made this.
She got it. Mukund got it.
Mukund, I think
Mataji.
also got it. Okay, I think we have to end. We are already late.
Vansha kalpatarobhyasya namo namah. की जय, शीला प्रभुपाद की जय, की माता जी की जय, और लिटिल की जय. हरि बोल. हरि बोल.
Thank you, Mataji.